Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
The fact that you always have to recognize, being a woman, that there is a warrior princess in you. There is, yes, you're feminine, but there is a warrior in you. And I think in today's time, every modern woman should remember that. And this is what the collection is about.
Our collection is based on Chitrangada. That's a timeless dance drama written by Rabindranath Tagore, where he focuses on the fact that a woman is equal to a man in every walk of life.
As per the silhouettes are concerned, the silhouettes are extremely feminine yet powerful without being edgy.
We've got these constructed pallas teamed up with jumpsuits. So basically our vision is for the woman of today who would like to wear garments which is slightly edgy but yet traditional with its approach.
The red veil signifies the strength and the power of a woman, and the oyster pink silk floss lehenga, what she's wearing, signifies the femininity and the soft part of Chitrangada.
Oh, that's a beautiful combination.
Absolutely, I
The
think
moment it came on paper and we were like, we have to sign up.
Because the most amazing fact is that she's from a city, Kolkata. So the moment we thought about her,
And she's a woman of substance. She's proved herself as an actress. She's a very opinionated woman as well.
So she's the perfect personality to depict the story of Chitrangada, we feel.
Well, I have seen the lookbook. I have not seen them personally, but I love the idea of the traditional sari palla with a jumpsuit. Sounds really interesting, and they're stunning, beautiful colors. They have used it very beautifully, and as said, they're modern, but not. It's yet very feminine. It's not that edgy that it looks masculine. It gives a lot of strength. At the same time, it's very feminine. That's beautiful. Red, down. Today it's a different thing altogether. I've got nude lips and hair up. Yeah. Yeah. Sari. Have a great drapist with you, because you can't mess up with a sari. It should look very elegant when you wear it. And pin it, pin it, pin it. Person like me, I'm always moving, so I have to pin my sari really well, because I'm not like somebody who can be very still. So when I wear a sari, it's pinned everywhere. Yeah. Well, my wedding ring, which I've taken it off for the show, because I am a professional and I have to, always follow what the designers say. Like, they didn't want any accessories as such, so I have not worn it today. But that's one thing that I always have on.
I think it is the garment, and Bipasha is just looking stunning.
Stunning, absolutely.